What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, this is a Walmart I don't bring you guys to very often, but I'm gonna bring you guys inside and I really like this location. And look you guys, it's bright blue. Not many of mine are bright blue. Anyways, kind of love that. I wanna take you guys to the clearance aisle. Ooh, I see new swimsuits. I have a little time to spare before I take my kids to the dentist. I don't know, maybe we won't get as far as the clearance aisle. Swim separates for $9.96. Orange, tie-dye, pink, yellow. Ooh, white, blue. These colors are so cute together. Here's the sizing chart. For Nobo, Time and True, and Terra and Sky. We have even more over here. We have swimsuits, and we have donuts. Choose one. I think we're just gonna look at swimwear, you guys, actually. So cute. I love the little cordage. Really cute. $17.96. All $17.96. I'm just so in love with that. $12.96 for the separates. So cute. Oh, I love this. Again, $12.96 separates. And then you guys have probably seen these. These ones have been out for a little bit. $16.88 for the separates. However, these are already on clearance. These are $9 each. $9. $9 for the bottoms. So you can get a full swimsuit for 18 bucks. These were originally $16.88, you guys. $16.88 for the top. And it's high waist. Is it $16.88 for the bottom? I'm guessing so. Let's see. Yes, $16.88. The material feels really sturdy. We have these bottoms. We have a lot of options in here. Oh wow, these are on clearance already. $11, down from $19.88 each. We have even more over here. Blacks, polka dots. The polka dot is so cute. We have underwire. Padded, no underwire. The little swim shorts for $16.88. It's been really cold here lately. It's supposed to warm up and be like 70 today, but so far it really hasn't warmed up much. $19.88 for these, and the brand is Avia. It's Avia Swim. Feels pretty padded. And the material feels really sturdy, like it feels like this would last you a long time if you go to the pool a lot or go to the beach a lot. We also have the rash guards. $24.88 for this. Also by Avia Swim. Even more over here. Something about this feels very glamorous, doesn't it? Almost like something you would see the Hollywood stars wear back in the day. Just something very classic. Like maybe something Marilyn Monroe would have worn. This is very sturdy, you guys. Like the material is very heavy. It's not flimsy at all. Cheeky with a high leg. We have some rouging back here. These really feel like nice quality pieces. And this has underwire. That's something that's a little hard to find here in Walmart. With a bikini bottom. How much? $24.88. This has a high leg. Open back. $24.88. Even more over here. These are $19.88. With padding, no underwire. Wow, this location has so many options. Cute. Super cute. We have more one pieces over here for $19.88 by Time and True. We have sizes 16, 18, small through, looks like 16, 18. This is cute. Again, $19.88. Nice little hardware. And we have lots of skirts and sort of like pants cover-ups. What are they calling these? They're just calling it a Missy cover-up. Even more little skirts, full length. It's almost like a big shirt. It's like a full length with a little tie at the bottom. That's in a 3X. We have small through 3X. We have them in black. This sort of like boho one. These are all $19.96. Even more. I mean, this location just has so much, you guys. Even more over here. These are $16.96. This is really cute. I really like this. We have even more pieces over here. These are just $6.96 each. These sort of have a little ruffle top. Small through extra large. Even though I rarely wear a one piece, I'm gonna say that these ones for $24.88, I'm gonna say these are made really, really well. The material feels super thick and nice. I'm also gonna say that these Avia Swim separates feel like they're a really, really nice quality. And I really love that we have some options that have hardware. It kind of makes it look a little more expensive. Also, we're already seeing the clearance, so don't forget that we have clearance already. Things that were $16.88 are already down to $9. And we just have so many cover-ups, you guys. Like so many cover-ups. These ones are brand new. sort of tie-dye themed up through sizes 3X for $17.97. We have green, and then we also have little dresses for $12.96. Longer, sort of that bouncy, stretchy tie-dye cover-up. These are $9.96. If you think you might want one, get it now. If you don't wear it, save your receipt, keep the tags on it, and return it. But if you think you might want it, get it now, because the tie-dye stuff is gonna go really, really fast. But yeah, you guys, let me know if you want some new summer clothing videos. We have a lot of new clothes, a lot of new swimwear, and of course, everything is super affordable. I'm just really impressed with my location today. Everything's so neat. It's like super well stocked. I'm seeing dresses, I'm seeing shirts, I'm seeing so many new things. I'm seeing skirts over here. Like, so many cute new things. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm out of here. I got to get my kids to their dentist appointment, so I'll see you guys in my very next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.